just came to say hello.
Hi everybody, it's Katrina. Welcome to the Crafty Corner. So I have done the little bear bags that I showed you all on the last live that I did. And I decided to put these in the front of the bear, let the bear sit in the back, and I put the candy down in there behind the bear and decided that less was more. So I did the Ferrero shares, but I just put 2 of the big pieces of candy in there. Some people don't like a lot of chocolate, y'all. So these are the little lotion and perfume sets that I got off of Temu. That one is One Love. This one is the black and gold one, and it is called Queen of the Moment. Then we have our Soft Cloud, and this is the pink, and there's the candy in the back there. And then we have our last one, which is called Vibes, and that is the purple one. Now, I may go back and get a purple bear, but right now this is what it is, and I'm probably going to leave these like these. I will put some bows on the handles there to close the bags up. But this is how I decided to do these, and I think they are cute. They will make nice little gift sets that are affordable and profitable. So please tell me what you think down in the comments. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Be blessed, but most importantly, be a blessing.
I just came to say hello.